guys, I'm here with Minecraft.
Hi
That is
guys.
Hi guys, I'm
Hi
here.
guys. Andun ang full light. Hi
So
guys,
the,
andun ang
my skin is here.
Kasi
It is.
this is
So
our
let's
first
go.
guys.
Minnie, let's go visit Minnie Kifa. Oh my God. So I cannot.
So guys, punta na po. Yan po. Okay na po. Yan na po si
Hi. So guys, it's that disconnect. What?
Ganas ng pagkapupunta yun.
So guys, I'm back. Go to Minnie Kifa. So yung we got our house. This one is so guys, it's our house. Oh wow! We don't know what it's so beautiful.
Ito po yung house namin. Lumaki na po kami.
Nabunot lang po namin to. So kasi po nag-adventure po tayo. Sorry. So dito po kami stay ng
Wow! This is so beautiful. This name is Rose.
Ang gagawin ko? Tanga ko na iyak. Pati din ayaw nga!
oh, this is your room?
Oo, din yung room ko.
Okay.
Oo.
So this is my room.
May TV po din eh. Ayun po yung ano oh.
So guys, it's my chest.
Puntahan
it's
po
a
natin
chest.
yung kay ano. Mini
This is my TV.
Zoe.
So this is my chair. And this is my, oh wow, this is so good.
Ang lawak po ng ano niya.
And it's my,
Ito po, meron pong TV. Nandini po yung chair.
so this is my
Nandini po yung
bed.
chair. Nandini po yung chair.
So that is my room. So guys,
So this is a baby's room.
it's so
Good. Like, natin ito.
so guys. Wait, where are you? Where are you? Wait. I'm going to my room. Now, oops.
Let's go.
sleep in here. So guys, this is here. It's so lovely today.
Bakit?
Never mind. So guys,
Kasi natin
oh my god.
is the sand.
Yup.
Meron po palang dalawa.
Cause this is mine.
I know. There was a violet and some white and blue. Light blue. Alright.
So
Look at
guys,
her skin. Light blue and pink